Melissa Powelson with ITM Services, here to bring to you an amazing new opportunity that we have going on right now called the Life Transformation Class. The Life Transformation Class gives you the tools to be able to transform into a healthier, happier person. ITM focuses on your mind. And whatever it is that you have going on in your life, your mind can only handle so much. And it tells you, it says, I just don't have time for this today. And once you get your mind right, the rest will fall into place. So, we have developed a class followed by simple, basic steps for you to be able to do to make things easy on you. But what the Life Transformation Class did for me was it allowed me to take a step back. It allowed me to have guidance right there with me and say, hey, don't worry about that. You're putting so much emphasis on something that needs no worry. And when I followed these steps, it was like, wow, sometimes we just need a little help. Sometimes we just need a little guidance, and that's okay. This book really helped show me how to take the proper steps and do the right things to take some of that stress off my back and allow me to be a better person, a better mom. We are bringing the ITM class to you to show you what you can do to slow your day down even though it's extremely busy. So how do you do that? That's all in the Life Transformation Class. As a businesswoman, there's nothing more your boss likes to see than you break out there and give new ideas and throw new things on the table and be positive in your work environment. In a home, we need the love, even when it's not given back. We need to be nurturing and loving and caring and giving. All of these things are loaded in this amazing computer mind that you have. And sometimes that mind just short circuits and goes, I just can't do all of this today. And that's okay. You don't have to do everything today. But we still need to stay on track. We cannot be happy all of the time. We cannot surround ourselves with people that are going to make us feel amazing all of the time. You're not always going to get the pat on the back. You're not always going to have everything perfect. It doesn't matter who you are out there. This Life Transformation Class is amazing. It will transform your life into a happier, healthier place. This gives you the repetition to feel the success, to see the success. This makes people go, where did that come from? This makes your kids sometimes look at you and be like, okay, where's my mom at? This really does some shifting that is kind of neat within our families. It brings people closer. It brings your families closer. It brings you light within yourself because you start to feel the empowerment happening within yourself. And we will help guide you through a process that you will never regret. You will love it. You will live it. There is nothing better than giving yourself the kind of love that you deserve.